Moving isn't just about boxes. It's about handing over your entire life to total strangers. But there is a secret sauce that separates a moving nightmare from a total breeze. And it's not the price. It's the attitude. Before we jump right in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you had experience with movers bringing the wrong attitude to your home. Step 1. The walkthrough. A top-tier crew doesn't just start grabbing boxes. They start with a walkthrough. They aren't just looking at your sofa. They're identifying tight corners and fragile heirlooms. If they don't ask about your breakables in the first 10 minutes, that's a red flag. Step 2. The prep. Watch their prep. Professional movers treat your house like a museum. We're talking floor protection, padded banisters, and shrink-wrapped furniture before it hits the door. Step 3. Communication. Communication is king. You want a crew that gives you updates, not excuses. A top-tier crew confirms instructions for labeled boxes and explains exactly how that heavy dresser is getting down the stairs. Step 4. Organization. Organization is where the pros shine. On a long-distance move, winging it equals broken glass. They use systems, loading by room, verifying the inventory list twice, and ensuring the truck is balanced for the long haul across state lines. At the end of the day, you're hiring peace of mind. National Van Lines has spent nearly a century perfecting this service-first attitude. Don't gamble with your move. Get the professional attitude your belongings deserve. Click the link in the description or call us now for your free, no-obligation moving quote. Let's get you home. And if you'd like to learn more about how your move day will actually go, consider watching our What to Expect from an Interstate Move video. Link in the description.